You left it out here?
Yeah.
You live by the saying, no good deed goes unpunished. You went to help your dad, and then you lost your key.
Yeah, that's my dad. You own me now.
Yeah. Is it open or closed? Maybe it's inside?
I don't know. I got it because remember I told you that the remote don't work?
Oh, they're both. Oh, gotcha. Okay. I've done like 4 keys for them. Pretty nice people. Okay, I'm gonna pick it this way to open, and then I can read it as well. Quick enough, hopefully. Looks like we got 3 on the top.
It might go off.
The phone?
Oh no, the alarm go off?
Oh, the alarm.
I don't know.
Don't bother me. Hold on. Start again. Yeah, it'll probably go off. It's fine.
You were gonna have a shit fit. You know what to do.
Oh, the neighbor?
Yeah. Just my car is loud when I work. Turn up in the morning. Can you down? I said, well, I'm sorry. I turned on.
Oh, so you need a new key anyway, though. Oh, but you said it's not because of the key, right? That
You remember you checked the battery? You said it was good. And
yeah, it had a frequency.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah. Well, let's see if that's correct then. Now, right? You just got this car?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right, baby. All right. Let's keep it inside tomorrow. Good armpit.
Yes.
No key?
No key, no. Because like remember I told you I gotta lock it when I get out of it because that little button
Yeah.
don't work. And I don't. You guys, I never press that button. So.
All right, I'll get it. I might pick the ignition as well, but I'll get it done. Let me see. There's a key code, so I might as well just cut it from the door and see what happens. Flip this key over. All right, let's see if we got it right. Looks good to me. Ignition. I got it. All right, let's program this key. Takes 12 minutes. I guess I'll edit a video while that's happening. And we'll be out of here. Alright, we got a Chevy. Actually, I'll just read the VIN. So I'll just go back. VIN. Auto detect. Chevy. Send them this key code. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Uh-oh. Why did my machine just shut off? That was weird.
It's like every holiday they do fireworks now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We used to do them a lot, but then everybody else does them around those, so might as well just leave it.
Yeah.
Waste some money, I think.
Yeah, they're not cheap too. What is it, like 20? They're lighting $25 up at a time at least.
Yeah, then it goes by by the time you know, like shit, let's pay like $300 for like 3 minutes of fireworks.
Yeah.
You don't do that, man. My friend wants to go to New Mexico to buy the big one.
Oh, really?
I'm waiting for him to say, I'm good. I'm going back to work for House of New Year, so
Buy them and sell them, or just buy them to light up?
buy them to light up.
Yeah.
They just have a guy, but I'm not sure he don't sell no more. So.
Uh huh.
He said, well, we go to Mexico. We go in your neck of the woods and get some. Yeah, we can. I just don't know where to get them because they don't buy them as much.
Yeah.
Like I had some other shorts on earlier, and I took it off the keychain, and I just had just the key.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking when I got in the car when I was helping my dad going back and forth, I think it's probably $400.
Fell in his car?
In his car, I checked his car.
You checked his car?
Yeah, then I checked my Jeep, because my friend brought my Jeep back because she wanted to borrow it.
Yeah.
And she picked me up and went to my dad's, and then I think it probably fell out. I checked all inside the Jeep and everything.
Really? Maybe you check under his hood because you were like jumping his car and stuff.
No, I had it in my pocket.
Yeah, in your pocket?
Yeah, I had it in my pocket all the time. And I was going to put it in the drawer, like I always do, but I was in a hurry, and my dad was like, it started to kind of rain. I was like, oh, I don't want it to rain.
Yeah.
Get out there, and I told him, you owe me one. You owe me a new key because I was helping you.
Yeah.
And right when they towed over here, dude, he said he parked it, and he said it came on. And he was
Yeah, that's why I was like, I don't really want to come out for that. I was pretty far too at that point.
Yeah. I told him, don't worry. I said, you know, it's probably just a ground or something going on.
Yeah, that made more sense.
That battery's brand new. That.
You want me to erase that key?
The other key?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, race it.
Or leave it in case you find it.
No.
No?
Race it, 'cause, yeah. Just in case somebody finds it and then get in my car and take it out.
Yeah.
I don't want to deal with that.
Yeah, I don't blame you. All right, it'll take 12 minutes. It's programming now.
Okay.
Okay. I'm scared of it shut off. It's right there. Next key, no. Remove the key. Open and close. I don't know how to open this car. Oh, there we go. Alright, button should work. They don't work. Why don't they work? Oh yeah, that's right. He said he had an issue. So he has some sort of issue with the remote functions. I tested his key when I did his dad's car and they didn't work. So anyway, let's start her up. Woo. Oh, I should close this window. It's raining. Yeah, the buttons don't work. Yeah, it's probably it's either a fuse or it could be a like an antenna or something. So, well, if you figure that out, you'll have yeah, they don't work.
Yeah.
So.
No.
But at least you can drive it, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
cool.